What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. VP Tactical here, and today we are going to be replacing the extractor claw and extractor spring on my AP5. I noticed that my extractor spring appears to be wearing, and it is a maintenance item. According to HK, that can fail in as little as 500 rounds, although I've heard of some going sooner than that. Otherwise, others lasting for thousands upon thousands of rounds. So these are the part numbers, or at least the UPC codes of the actual HK branded ones if you need it. And again, you know, these are some wear items, particularly the extractor spring. If you need the UPC codes to get those parts to replace them, keep your equipment in tip-top shape, those are the figures. So anyway, what we're gonna do is basically grab the bolt carrier group. We're gonna squeeze in on those rollers, twist up, and then the whole thing should just pull right out. Pull out your locking piece. We don't need that in there right now. And then basically what we're gonna do is use a small flathead screwdriver, and we're gonna pry on this spring here. We're gonna stick it right inside that little loophole and basically try to pop it up, which is exactly that right there. And then essentially we wanna force it out this way because it slides into position. And well, looks like that came out a heck of a lot easier than I expected. So maybe it was really worn, to say the least. Now, if you want to take this time to clean it up, this would be a good point to do that, so you can clean out the gunk and everything that's in there. I'm going to do that real quick, and then we'll finish this video. All right, I went ahead and cleaned that channel out. We're going to go ahead and cut open our package here so we have our actual extractor. And that pretty much just drops right in. It only goes in one way, just like that. And it should move freely in there. And then we're going to take our spring. And this, we're going to start by hand. I'm just going to push that into place. And ideally, what you want to do is push this up against a hard surface, but also keep some tension over here so that way you don't bend the spring. And so for this purpose, I'm going to use a little vise block. And we're just going to press down on it. And like I said, keep some tension on that. It looks like we got it most of the way. And again, you might need that edge or surface. And that is it. You heard that little pop. Looks like it's in, and that tension is way better than what I was getting before. So it looks like my spring was definitely failing. Anyway, be safe, stay vigilant. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video.